Do you struggle with gas, bloating, or digestive discomfort? What if I told you that a single daily habit could help you heal your gut, reduce inflammation, and also improve your overall health? Now stay with me because today I'm going to reveal the number one simple habit that can transform your gut health and how you can easily incorporate that into your daily routine. Hi, I'm Dr. Anshul Gupta, a board certified family physician from US with advanced training in functional medicine. If you have been dealing with chronic bloating, indigestion, or even issues like brain fog and fatigue, your gut health could be the root cause. An inflamed gut can lead to bigger health problems, but the good news is that you can easily fix it naturally by incorporating this one simple habit. So this is what I'm going to share with you today, a number one simple habit that can help you to reduce gut inflammation, support digestion, as well as restore the gut microbiome that is needed for a healthy gut. So what is this simple one habit that can help you to get rid of gut inflammation immediately? It is starting your morning in the proper way. Now, morning is a very important time because your body's function is waking up and preparing your body for the whole day's journey. And if you start your morning in proper way, then you can reduce this gut inflammation and can help get rid of several health problems. For most of us, as soon as we wake up in the morning, we are reaching for that 1 cup of coffee or 1 cup of tea. That is the wrong thing to do because that doesn't help our body in the right way. In fact, it harms our body. So what is the best thing to do in the morning? So I am going to share with you this simple morning recipe that you need to take as soon as you wake up in the morning to recharge your gut. This is a very simple 1 cup drink that is going to recharge your gut and reduce inflammation immediately. Let me share with you the ingredients of this drink and then I'm going to tell you how to prepare it and consume it in the morning. The first ingredient over here is aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice is packed with a lot of gut healing nutrients. Aloe vera juice has natural polysaccharides, enzymes, as well as phytosterols that helps to heal your intestinal as well as gut lining. Research shows that aloe vera juice can help you reduce gut inflammation by inhibiting TNF-alpha, IL-6 as well as prostaglandins, which are mainly playing a big role in causing inflammation, especially for people who have IBS or IBD issues. So aloe vera juice is a very important ingredient that is going to help you heal your gut. The second ingredient over here is ginger. Ginger has something called gingerols and other anti-inflammatory compounds which help reduce inflammation in the gut specifically. As well as ginger also stimulates digestion as well as gut motility, and that improves gas as well as bloating issues. The third ingredient over here is chia seeds. Now, chia seeds are packed with prebiotic fibers as well as they are very high in omega-3s. Omega-3s help to lower inflammation in the gut, and this prebiotic fiber in chia seeds specifically feeds the good bacteria in your gut and thereby promoting the growth of good bacteria in your gut. The next ingredient of this list is lemon juice. Now, lemon juice stimulates bile flow in the morning as well as improve your digestion in the morning. As well as lemon juice also supports your liver health and thereby it supports your overall gut health and also your gut microbiome. The last ingredient over here is manuka honey. It has been shown in research studies that manuka honey or raw honey can specifically help improve the levels of good bacteria, especially lactobacillus and bifidobacterium, which in research studies shows that they can lower inflammation in your gut. So these are all the ingredients of this particular drink that you need to include in the morning so that you can supercharge your gut. Now let me share with you how to exactly make this drink. So to make this drink, you need 1 cup of warm water. Make sure the water is not boiled and just slightly warm. Then you add 1 teaspoon of aloe vera juice into it. And then you add a half an inch of grated ginger into it. You add 1 teaspoon of chia seeds into it. Half a teaspoon of manuka honey or raw honey into it. And half a teaspoon of lemon juice into it. Now you let this drink sit for at least a minimum of 5 minutes. The reason being these 5 minutes will help the chia seeds to expand properly. Or you can soak chia seeds overnight and then add it to this drink. After 5 minutes, you consume this drink slowly over the course of next 5 to 10 minutes. You might have to stir it occasionally so that all the chia seeds, are evenly distributed. The best time to consume this drink is early in the morning because all of these ingredients are going to help your gut to reduce inflammation as well as prepare the gut for your daily routine which is coming up. So this one simple trick of starting your morning in the proper fashion will help you to get rid of gut inflammation quickly. So ditch that early morning coffee or tea or early morning breakfast and start your day with this morning drink, and within 1 week you are going to see substantial difference in reducing bloating, reducing gas, improving your digestion, and also feeling that your gut inflammation is getting low for you. Try this drink today itself and see what difference do you feel, and in the comment section share what improvements you have seen after consuming this drink. I hope you like this video. If you do, please like and subscribe to my channel as well as share this video with others who can benefit from this great information. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.